Okay, this is our first video for EOP safety regulations. Mr. Leduc, as you see, the power is on over there. The power is turned off by the emergency shut-off right here. But Mr. Leduc is wearing the certified green patch steel toes, and he's got his safety glasses on. With the power off, he's looking to change the blade.
So right now, when we're changing the blade on the table saw, the teeth always point towards us. Make sure it's tight against the washer. Put the other washer on as well. Put the nut on. Turn it clockwise to tighten. Make it snug. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten the blade.
It doesn't have to be overkill, it just has to be tight in there.
And put the insert on and make sure the splitter's on, locked in properly. Now there's 4 different types of cuts you can make on the table saw. So obviously the most common, the table saw is used for rip. So we have the fence. So if we wanted to rip a 2-inch wide board, there's a scale on the table. We would line it up to 2 inches, lock it. We would grab a board, which is this hard maple, but before we start it, you always want to make sure that you're only 1/8 of an inch above the material that you're cutting. And the reason being is if your hand slips, you don't cut your fingers off. So there's a knob at the front of the table saw which has a locking knob on the front. You loosen that off. The blade goes down to the height that you need. 1/8 of an inch. Lock it. There's also graduations. You can also tip the table saw on any angle that you want if you wanted to cut a bevel. But we're not doing that right now. We just need a straight cut. And if we wanted to do that, it's just a handle over here, and you can turn it from 0 to 45 degrees. But like I said, we don't need to do that right now. We'll lock that. Now there's also an emergency stop on the left-hand side. You give it a twist, and you hit the start button. So, put the board tight against the fence. We have a push and a push stick. There's also a little 1/8 recess right here that it locks onto the back of the board. Push it tight against the fence with your push stick and run it through the saw. Now when you're cutting the board, you want to make sure that the push stick is not pushing ahead of the material so it binds against the blade. Once you get close to the end, you let go. Push all the way through. Shut off the machine. Wait till the blade stops. Once it has stopped, if you're done using the machine, you wind the blade down below the table, and you get a brush, and you clean off the material, and you clean off the dust, so the next person doesn't have to clean it off. Now the second cut that we're going to make on the table saw is a cross cut. What that means is you're going to cut perpendicular, just like you would on a chop saw, to the piece of wood. So once again, we lift the material just so it's above. Push the board tight against the fence. Now the third cut we're going to do is you can also make a miter cut, because this is called a miter. You can tip this on any angle that you want. So if you wanted to make a picture frame, you tip this on 45 degrees. stop it, and it puts a nice 45-degree angle on the board. Now the fourth cut, we'll pause it. The fourth cut we're going to do a dado cut.
How do we pause, brother?
You just stop it, I think, yeah? Just a pause.